Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng buko fruit salad with custard base. So ang una ko munang ginagawa is to prepare our ingredients. So ang ginagawa ko today is kinakayod ko yung buko natin from the farm. So pinasungkit ko na po siya. So buko na malakanin or ang tawag dito pang buko pie, malakanin or pang fruit salad. Okay, for the first ingredients for our salad, yung salad natin is not condensed base. It's custard and cream combination. So first natin gagawin is, gagawin natin yung custard. First, I have here fresh milk, egg yolk, and white sugar. So pagsasamahin lang natin yung tatlong ingredients sa isang stainless bowl kasi gagamit tayo ng hot water bath or bain-marie. So, i-whisk lang natin or i-mix lang natin hanggang well combined and then totally dissolve yung ating sugar. So, ayan, medyo yellow yung ating custard because of the egg yolk. So, yung egg yolk natin serve as our thickener. For bain-marie, so magpapakulo lang po tayo ng hot water and then iibabaw natin yung bowl sa kumukulong tubig. So slow fire para yung custard hindi po siya mabigla. Para smooth yung custard natin. So continuous stirring hanggang maging thick po siya. Okay everyone, ito nag-start ng mag-thicken yung ating custard but I want more a little bit thick. Konti pa po. So medyo runny pa siya. Okay, our custard is now ready. Yung thickness po niya is like condensed milk. Yun po yung kwan natin. Basihan na, okay na yung ating custard. Like a condensed milk po ang consistency. So alam nyo na po yun. And then, if you check it, nakukoat niya yung ating spatula. So lalamig pa po to, kaya magtitik pa po siya. So don't worry about that. After nating maluto yung custard, let's cover up with cling film para hindi po siya mag-dry. Yung iba tina-touch mismo sa custard. Kasi nag-skin po siya, nagkakaroon ng dryness on top pag di natin siya babalutan ng cling film. So hayaan nyo lang siyang ganito hanggang mag-cool down. You can put in the chiller for overnight and you can do this one ahead of time pag para sa mga productions. Okay, for the fruit salad, buko fruit salad ingredients, I have here 2 Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail or any brand can do. We have shredded young buko and then our cheese, queso. You can use cheddar for saltiness of the cheese. So for the Del Monte fruit cocktail, this is 836 grams. So drain po dapat siya. So habang pinapalamig natin yung custard, imimix na natin yung mga fruit cocktail natin and the buko. So ayan. Make sure well drain yung inyong fruit cocktail para hindi runny or matubig yung fruit salad natin. Okay, our buko meat and then our queso. So, i-fridge nyo lang to para makatulong na siya pag nilagay yung custard natin. Ayan. So, mamaya, after lumamig yung custard, saka natin ilalagay yung custard and cream with this. So, ayan. So, ganyan lang kasimple yung ating very vegetarian na buko fruit salad. Okay, for the custard, ito na po yung Nestle cream natin, 1 big pack. So, chilled overnight, ganito siya. Para kapag na-chilled overnight, nagsiset po ang ating all-purpose cream. You can use in can also, it's table cream. So, ang gagawin natin, imimix natin siya sa custard together. So, yung custard, you can add vanilla, optional. Ilalagay ko na lang po yon. Pero actually, baka sasabihin nila egg yolk, baka malansa. No. Pag naluto po yung egg yolk with sugar and milk, hindi po siya malansa. But you can still add vanilla like what I've said. So gagawin ko, i-incorporate ko ng maayos yung cream and custard. Tignan mo, ganun siya katik, oh. Okay, nagpakuha po ako ng wire whisk. Nahihirapan ako sa spatula. So, i-mix natin. So, dapat ma-perfect nyo. Ang linamnam po niya with the cream and custard. Sobrang sarap po. Okay, and ito-toast na natin with our fruit salad. So, ayan. Look at that. So creamy. Saka ang ganda ng consistency ng ating custard with cream. So, pwede nyo itong i-freezer kasi parang ice cream yung texture nito pag na-freezer. Using my spatula para hindi malasog-lasog yung ating salad, fold lang po yung method. Ayan. Yellowish. O, tignan nyo, ang ganda ng color niya. What a perfect buko fruit salad without using condensed milk. Yan. So, ilalagay namin siya sa freezer kasi mamayang dinner po namin to ihahain. So, ahead of time, ginawa na namin. So, like I've said, you can freeze this one because of the custard. Para siyang ice cream pag na-freezer po. Okay everyone, ito na yung ating fruit salad. Nilagay ko siya sa buko shell para organic tingnan. So, hope you like it.